Hi class and welcome to EEC 1971. I'm your instructor, Mike Hager. I just want to say welcome and I look forward to spending the next 6 weeks working with you guys. In our first announcement, I have outlined some important information to review as you get acclimated to the course, as well as items you need to complete this week. Please be sure to look at the course calendar for due dates and live session dates. This week, we will be exploring developmentally appropriate practice through discussion, a mind map, and the course readings. Each week, we will have a live session at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time on Tuesdays. The exception is this week. Our first live session will be tomorrow, February 10th at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. You can find the link for the live session in the weekly modules in the weekly announcements. In the live session, I will go over assignments each week. However, if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And also, please check your course messages often, as this is how I will reach out to you if I need to discuss anything specific to your assignments or grades. I look forward to meeting you all tomorrow night at our live session.